Hello kids, let's draw a cute cat sitting in the lovely cup. First, subscribe my channel for more videos and press like button. Draw a beautiful cup. Draw a heart. Heart is full of love. Draw a cat. Draw a tin floor. Draw ears. Draw lovely eyes. Draw cute nose. Draw a butterfly. Cat is playing with butterfly. Cat has beautiful blue eyes. Let's color it. Sky blue color. Red color. Parrot color. Violet color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Wow, looking lovely. Fill the color properly. Don't cross boundary. Sea green color. Yellow color. Pink color. It is complete. If you like my video, then must subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.